What's up guys, it's James from Chimping Adventure, and today we're going to talk about my Amazon switch pod. It'll save you some money and it works just fine. So let me show you how it's set up in the engine bay first, and then we'll actually take a look inside about where I mount it and how it looks. So this is where your wires actually go in for each accessory you're running. Right now I only have the two hookups, as you can see. One of them is my rock lights and the other is my radiance pods here. So I got those and those over there. And after it goes here, it's either going to my switch pod or it's going directly to the battery over there, which I definitely need to clean up. But let's take a look inside real quick and show you what it looks like in there. Alright, so this is the actual switch pod itself. It mounts on that center loop where the freedom top is. So it mounts just right behind there. And then I have my wires ran all the way across and down and then through into the engine bay. But how I have this set up is I have a double throw right here. So I have my backlit amber radiance pods and then my bright white. Then I have my rock lights right there, and these are all blink right now. I'm probably going to throw an air compressor and then lockers, and I probably won't ever get any other lights. But if I do, I'll throw one in here or double it up with my radiance pods possibly. But I just wanted to show you this setup. It is very affordable. It's only $170 on Amazon, so I'll throw the link into the description of the video so you can check it out. It is a lot cheaper than purchasing an S-Pod, and it works pretty much exactly the same way as you would want to. I've been very happy with it. I've had this set up for roughly 6 to 8 months now, and it's worked just fine. I haven't had any issues. It's very simple to wire up. It wasn't an issue at all. So definitely, if you're interested in looking at a controller for lights, this is a really easy setup, a really easy mod to do, and will take care of all of your needs as far as lighting or any other accessory. Alright, so that's it for today. The reason I'm kind of doing this is two reasons. One, I wanted to show you what control box I went with because it saves so much money. I really wanted that S-Pod, but this is way more affordable off Amazon and it does the exact same thing. So I saved a ton of money. And two, my next video I'm going to show you my DIY rock lights that I did. So it kind of leads into how I have everything wired up and how it's working there. But give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Scroll down and check out my other videos. There's a lot of cool videos that are going to be coming out soon. A couple wheeling trips and a couple more things that I got to install. So definitely make sure to subscribe so you can check those out. But other than that, y'all have a great day.